So we created a mouse bracelet. This time, let's create turtle bracelet. Okay. It's a similar version, but the difference is the head of our figure, because we are creating a turtle, not a mouse. So we need a tulip twist here for the head of our turtle. This will serve as the head of our turtle. Just leave it like that. Now, create a 3-inch, three 1-inch bubbles here, just like this, and just like so. That's it. Now, put this long bubble here, just like that. And remember, we have an extra tail here, like we did earlier. Put it here on the other side, and tie it just like this. Okay, so we have an instant turtle bracelet. So here, the difference in our turtle bracelet here, we need to pinch this to make a teddy bear twist, just like that. Okay, that's the difference of our turtle bracelet, between the turtle bracelet and the mouse bracelet. So that's it. We have turtle bracelet, the head, the body, and the legs, and it's a bracelet.